Hello guys, this is the third video on Java Swing, and in this video we'll discuss on Swing components. So first component is JLabel. So JLabel is used for display text and images. So if you want to display text, then we use JLabel. Firstly, create its object using JLabel class and give the message in the parentheses. Okay, so in this way, we display text or label on the JFrame. Okay, so if you want to display image, then use image icon and pass the its path of the image. And this image icon reference due to the JLabel. Okay, so make sure the image in the same folder as your .java file or give a proper path. So let's discuss how to use JLabel and ImageIcon using programming. So here I open this Eclipse ID, and in this ID, firstly I create a JFrame, its object using JFrame class, set its layout is null, set its size, then activate close button and set frame visible. Okay, so firstly we discuss on JLabel. So for displaying text or label, we use JLabel class. The reference is label is equal to new label, new JLabel, and give the message or give the message which are print as a label. So here enter name, this message, enter first name, this message we have to display as a label. So here import this JLabel class, and for also we set its position using set bond. Set bond is active or of its effect if our JFrame layout is null. So I display this label in this position where x is 50, y is also 50, its width is 150 and height is 30, and then add this label in our JFrame using add components. Okay, so now check this label is visible or not by running Java application. Okay, so in this way, at this position, we display JLabel using JLabel class. So now, if I want to display image, then firstly, our image is put into .java file into where this .java file is saved. So I copy this image which are saved on desktop. So I copy this image and put in this folder where our frame.java is located. So I paste here, okay, and then copy its path. Click on properties and copy this path. Okay, and then here I use image icon for display image. Okay, and give reference is icon is equal to make its object image icon, and give the path in this parenthesis. So here I pass the path of this image as parameter, and then I import this image icon here. Okay, so now we have to set its so this image icon we have to send pass to the our label. So here again I create new label and give the reference of this label is label 1 is equal to create a new label object, new JLabel object, and pass this image icon's reference icon. Okay, and this new label is import in frame using add method. Okay, so I import this label. Also, we have to set its size, its position. So using label, its reference, we set size using set want. So at int x is 100, y is also 100, its width is 200, and height is also 200. Okay, now I save this and run this application. Okay, so in this way our image is displayed, but its size, its image size is big. But firstly we have to resize image and then set. Okay, so our image is very large. So firstly, if you want to, if you have to resize image, they so for resize image I use here image resized is equal to, and firstly get original image icon, its reference icon dot get scaled access method get image, firstly get image, then access get scaled instance method and its width and height, and then in hint image dot scale smooth. Okay, and then again create a new image icon and pass this resized image. Okay, so here I create new image icon object icon 1 is equal to new image icon and pass the resized image. Okay, resized image, and give this image icon to the label. Okay, so now I run this. Okay, so in this way we display image as well as resize image. Okay, so for this, firstly, we create image icon and give its path, image path as a parameter. So this image is saved at where our .java file is located. Okay, so next after creating image icon object, next this original image. So for resize, firstly we have to resize this image. For this we use firstly this reference icon get its reference dot get image, then access get scale instance method and use its parameter, and after creating a resized image pass this resize image again new image icon object and then its reference image icon reference pass to the JLabel, and then we can set also its position on JFrame and then add to the frame. So in this way we can display label or display text as well as image on the JFrame.